Welcome back to Steve's Small Engine Saloon.
Surging engines, hunting, oscillating, pulsating. There's all kinds of words that everybody comes up with to describe this. So what I mean by a surging engine is this right here. Watch this. RPMs going up and down, up and down. It's so annoying. Now, since I've done my last video, my original video on, it's called How to Fix a Surging Engine. Oh, by the way, if you missed that video, I have a link for you, a clickable link in the description and in the pinned comment of this video where you can just go click it and see which video I'm talking about. Since I put that video out, I've had 3 comments now on that video. Guys saying, Steve, all you have to do is just mix a 1/4 cup of acetone into your tank of gasoline and run it. It will melt the varnish out of the pilot jet and the main jet that's causing your surging, and it'll blow all that through and it'll solve your surging problem. 3 guys now said that. So I got to try it, right? So I did that and I ran the entire tank full of gas through. Boy, did it take a long time to run that gas through too. I didn't even start my stopwatch. But this is what it did. Absolutely nothing. So I went, I got to give this a fair shake though. So I filled it up with nice fresh fuel again, and this time I added a 1/2 cup of acetone. Woo, did that smell fantastic. The exhaust even smelled awesome. So I ran that through again. Took a long time, obviously, again, and this is what happened with the 1/2 cup of acetone. Absolutely nothing. Now, I know that there's a lot of you out there that are yelling at your screens right now. You're saying, Steve, put Seafoam in it. Just put Seafoam in it. It'll fix the problem. So I did. I actually added twice as much Seafoam into that tank of gas right there that the bottle recommends. A little bit more than twice as much. And I ran that whole 3rd tank through again with Seafoam, and here's what it did. Absolutely nothing. So there you go. I went, okay, well, that's enough now. That's enough. I'm going to just do it properly now. I followed my own advice on that original video I was talking about. It didn't even take I don't think it took 10 minutes. I didn't even have to take the carburetor off. I didn't even have to unbolt any of this stuff. I just did the pilot jet from the top. It was super quick and easy. And so I consider that doing it properly manually. And here's what it did. Runs like absolutely brand new. Surging is gone. So like I said, click on that clickable link in the description, pinned comment to this one for the original video to show you how I actually did stop the surging from going on. Check that video out when you get a chance. And I think that's it for me. At least maybe I put a couple myths to rest here today. Hope it helped somebody. Maybe not have to waste your time and gas and water and everything in a pressure washer. Anywho, cheers. Steve out.